Hi everyone, I am your law teacher and today I am going to discuss on the topic Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority PFRDA. Its history, preamble, definition, meaning and different types of pensions. PFRDA is a statutory regulatory body set up under PFRDA Act enacted on 1st February 2014 with an objective to promote old age income security and protect the interest of NPS subscribers. PFRDA was actually established in the year 2003 at the time that it was known as Interim PFRDA. On 23rd August 2003, Interim Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority was established through a resolution by the Government of India with an aim of promoting, regulating and developing the pension sector in India. Initially, PFRDA was formulated for government sector employees only. But slowly, its services extended to all citizens of India and NRIs, including self-employed individuals. So here one term we need to understand. The term pension, it is derived from the Latin term pensio, which means payment. Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority is the regulatory body under the jurisdiction of Ministry of Finance, Government of India, for overall supervision and regulation of pension in India. The Government of India had in the year 1999 appointed a national project titled OASIS to examine policy related to old age income security in India. Based on the recommendations of the OASIS report, Government of India introduced a new defined contribution pension system for those who are joining to central or state government service, not including armed forces, changing the prevailing system of defined benefit pension system. The Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority Act was passed on 19 September 2013 and the same was notified on 1st February 2014. PFRDA is regulating NPS subscribed by employees of Government of India, state government and by employees of private institutions, organizations and unorganized sectors. The PFRDA is safeguarding the orderly growth and development of pension market. The preamble of PFRDA states that the aims of the authority is to promote old age income security by establishing, developing and regulating pension funds to protect the interest of subscribers to scheme of pension funds and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. The definition and meaning. It is a fund into which a sum of money is added during an employment time and from which payments are drawn to support the person's retirement from work in the form of periodic payments. Thus, a pension may be defined as a defined benefit plan where a fixed sum of money is paid regularly to a person or a defined contribution plan under which a fixed sum is invested that then becomes available at the retirement age. The different types of pensions are employment-based pensions, social and state pensions, disability pensions. And hereby today's class came to an end. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like my class, please subscribe my channel and see you in the next class. Bye.